That's my doorknob.
What the hell are you guys?
What is Lee doing?
The pig is fucking the keyhole.
What the fuck am I doing? Oh yeah, you like that? You dirty little fucking slut? You like that? Take this corkscrew-shaped pig dick right there, right in the fucking keyhole.
Yeah.
Right in the keyhole.
Oh, yeah. Fuck that doorknob.
What are you doing to that door?
Close the door, guy. Oh, wait, never mind. You can't close the door because I'm fucking it.
Doors or whores?
Doors.
Doors before whores.
Whoa! Look at
Whoa, what
Look
the
at
hell?
What? Look at
Whoa! What are you guys doing? I want to fly too. Yeah! Oh, what the hell? This is actually water. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it's water.
This takes tremendous concentration and
Dude,
strength.
I'm tripping balls right now.
Oh God, what happened? Brock!
Brock just died.
Come on, just come on, hang in there. Ah!